guys, we're on our way to the farm and this is the road. As for the bridge, it's broken, so no car can pass through this place, so we have to walk. The view's good, right? Some cows grazing, and I don't see any cute ones among them. Look, pictures. There's one there over there. Seems to be alone. And also, guys, here's my cousin sister. Say hi. What's your name? How old are you? Okay, she's smarty now. Say bye. So, this was our last day in this farm, and I'll be saying bye because I'm going back to Pigma. Honestly, I'll be missing this view because there's no such farms in Pigma, you know. Yeah, so I'm saying bye. So, we're back to the previous days and we'll be going home now. My last visit to the farm, and also here's where the new train station is, and it's very good that they've made the train station here because it's easier for us to travel now, because the other train station is very far. Honestly, saying bye to this farm for the last time. Oh, I've reached here and I'm not expecting a train to come right now. Don't kill me. It's fun to be in places like this because in Kohima usually we don't get to see this kind of, you know. Imagine me standing here and what if a train comes? But the view is amazing. I'm actually in love. The view here is way more amazing than the other views. So my dearest cousin sister asked, if we fall from here, will we die? I'm not sure, but we might get badly injured. And the injury might cause to that also. But some might, you know. We have to be careful, that's all. I don't feel like leaving this place. It's really beautiful. So I have to finally say bye to this place. I'm going home. Here's my cousin sister running. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope that I was able to entertain all of you, and I will be back with more new videos, so subscribe and press the bell icon. Till then, bye bye, take care.